Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to Watchbox, and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, tmosso@thewatchbox.com. It's in the description below. Your purchase and pricing email question line for buying this or any watch you see on any Watchbox platform. Please reach out to me directly for pricing, tmosso@thewatchbox.com. Today, we are discussing a 2018 limited edition of 250 pieces in rose gold with lacquer dial. This is the IWC Portugieser Chronograph Edition 150 years, reference 3716-03. 41 millimeters in rose gold. It's the same classical Portugieser chronograph design that we've known since the late 1990s, albeit upgraded internally and on the dial side. Short across the wrist, it's 47.9 millimeters with a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs. It's a big upgrade over the 3714, which was in its day a breakthrough watch, and it became the best-selling Portuguese model of all time. So the Portugieser Chronograph 3716 has big lugs to fill. Once again, you can see the watch on my wrist. One of the more compact Portuguese models. They tend to be 42 to 44. This one at 41 shows why the original was a bestseller. It fits on almost any wrist. You can see the cuff shot easily sliding underneath the dress shirt. The lug's absolutely nowhere near the edge of my wrist, as you can see down the barrel, and from overhead again, not near the edge of my wrist. The 3716 is a lovely watch, and it's beautifully strapped. As you can see, the hardware and the software. Large rectangular scale alligator leather bolstered down the center to give it some volume. You have here a sheer cut side monotone stitch. This is all black, and on the underside, black calfskin. It is a brand new IWC factory strap, never crimped. The buckle, simple, handsome, with a combination of satination and polishing. And then the case, again, simple but strong, as you have the traditional blended lug, Calatrava and Portugieser profile. They are born of the same era, even though they were dramatically disparate in size. They both have the same case band because of that form follows function notion, case band and lug blurring into one. We have polished lug hoods, and the lugs themselves are nicely tapered. The underside of the cantilevered bezel is polished, as is the top, and you can see that the polish contrasts nicely with the satin. Simple, no-nonsense IWC motto style crown, Probus Scafusia, IWC, and then vintage-inspired pump-style pushers. The dial for the 150th anniversary of IWC is a lacquer dial, and all of the Jubilee models had this in common. They take up to 12 layers of hand finishing with the color as well as clear coats to achieve the look reminiscent of enamel dial, and the enamel dial itself a tribute to the late 19th century era of the first IWC pocket watches, so that's what they're going for here. We have a nicely balanced twin register dial, albeit a little bit unconventional, with sweep seconds at 6 o'clock and then minutes up at 12 o'clock. And you could see this timepiece features a semi-instantaneous jump on the minute, which is a wonderful refinement. It also features a Rayhaut outboard, or a flange, against which the minutes and the chronograph seconds and fractions of second can be read. Now, this dial, of course, hand-finished and taking up to 12 steps, including curing in a kiln, is a laborious handcrafted product. So that does set this watch apart from a standard 3714 or even the series production 3716s. The 3714 did not give you a display case back, partly because it did not give you a exclusive movement. This is a movement that is exclusive for IWC. IWC caliber 69355, automatic winding. It uses a magic lever style pawl-based bidirectional winding system. It has a 46-hour power reserve. It does have a hacking or stop seconds function. It operates with a crisp column wheel that you can see, feel, and hear in action. And then it has a direct engagement vertical clutch, so there's no jump or stagger to the chronograph seconds hand when you start the chrono. You'll also note that because of the vertical clutch, there's no additional play, wear, and tear, so you can leave the chronograph running full-time if you so choose. This is a 27 joule movement that beats sway at 8 beats per second. It's protected down to 30 meters of water resistance, and as you can see, it is adjusted in a superior 5 positions. 5 position being the standard for high horology watches like those of Vacheron or COSC chronometers, which are always tested invariably in 5 positions and at several temperatures. You can also see a number of machine finishing elements that make the watch a little bit more handsome. Some satination, some polishing, engine turning on the base plate, Côte de Genève across the bridge, bridge. And then you can see that there is a rose gold medallion commemorating 150 years of IWC since it was founded in 1868 by American F.A. Jones as International Watch Company. A 250-piece limited edition with an exclusive Jubilee Series lacquered dial, hand-finished. This is a beautiful watch and a great way to get into the Portugieser line without an oversized reference on your wrist. Reach out to Team Mosso at thewatchbox.com for purchase and pricing details.